All right, Black Forest, post-rainfall, 2022. These two guns right here, Peyton and Mitchell. Time to tear it up. Let's do that, and I was like, you gotta not do that. That's standard issue, dude. That's gotta be cut out of the YouTube, I think.
That's like that.
Sit. Oh. Yep, took the low line again. Damn it. I accidentally took the wrong line again. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh my goodness. Bro, it is a little slick right there, so be careful. You all right?
You good?
You all right?
You good?
I'm sorry. Show your back. Show your back.
I can't see it.
Damn.
Kind of sick.
Yeah.
He showed me down Black Forest, and that was the first time I did it, and I was like, fuck.
You showed me down Black Forest, like,
Back in the day.
that was like in the winter.
Mm-hmm. I mean, I had fucking snot hanging on my nose.
Sorry, bro.
Didn't even see it.
No, you didn't see it?
Yeah.
All right, Cinder. Actually, stand by. I'm gonna use these for at least one part of the.
A little dark in there, dude.
Yeah, but if I take a globule to the eye, to the iris. All right, fucking sunned it. Okay. now, bro. I'll be honest, dude. I was straight gooning that. I felt so uneasy, but we cleared everything.
Yeah.
Good work. Good recovery after that
rally,
treacherous
dude.
fall.
My pedal. Right after that step up before the tabletop, before the step down. Wait,
It felt like it was running real slow. I was having to pedal and I was barely making shit.
Yeah.
But I wasn't really pumping. I was just kind of, I'll jump and be like,
Got me Rudy Patootie.
Rudy Patooge. All right, I'll be on your ass, hopefully. That's top.
It's not my best work.
It's all right. I went like poop down the old pivot.
Yeah, I was pretty close until my foot slipped off.
That's tight, guys.